Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam. We're back with another FlySky i6s video, and I just want to show you a quick little thing that's almost like a little hidden feature. I mean, it's in the manual, but you know, it might be kind of neat to learn about, and that is the sweep, the channel sweep function, or I call it the ops check function. And what that is if we swipe to the right from the main menu, we get into our channel display, and what you can do is, so this will show you all of your different channels in the position on the channel, and so what you can do is tap and hold, and it will say, are you sure? And it doesn't say what you're sure about, but you say yes, and then you can see that it will slide through all of the channel ranges automatically for all of the channels. Now, obviously, you want to be careful when you're doing this that you're not about to turn on something that you don't want to turn on. But it could be kind of cool because then you can basically do an ops check on all of your servos and all of your channels at the same time. And here's what this looks like if we do this when we're connected to an airplane here, a little demonstration airplane here. And the manual does say to not do this with the motor on, but we don't have a propeller on right now, so I think it will be fine. You just need to be careful that you're not about to turn on something you don't want to turn on. We can press and hold, and it'll say, are you sure? And we say, yes. And then to stop it, you just tap the screen. And that's all there is to it. I don't know if that's super helpful, but if you use that or if you think it would be helpful, let me know, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. And if you want to see more FlySky videos, check out this playlist I have right over here. And I will see you again very soon.